Hello students, welcome to the class. Force on a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field. I have a conductor in which the current is flowing, that is the electrons is moving inside the conductor, and it is placed in a magnetic field B. So we know that the force is given by the Lorentz force, it is FB, which is force due to the magnetic field, and the charge is moving inside the conductor with the drift velocity Vd, length of the conductor BL, and I am going to take an area of cross section A inside the conductor for my derivation part. So current inside a conductor is given by I equal to NEA into Vd, which is given in your unit number 2 for the current flowing in the conductor. Let this be equation number 1. So, and by Lorentz force we know that F is equal to Q into V vector cross B vector. Here Q is a charge. What is the charge flowing inside? It is current, because so as it is a current, it is electron, and the charge of the electron is minus. So it is minus E into drift velocity Vd cross B vector, which is my equation number 2. Then let N be the number of electrons, free electrons moving per volume. Then small n is equal to total number of electrons divided by the volume. What is volume? Volume is nothing but area into length. So A into dl. So instead of V, I am going to substitute here it as A into dl. So bring this V to the other side. You have capital N, total number of electrons. Capital N equal to N into V. Instead of V, A into dl. So it is capital N equal to NA dl. Let this be equation number 3. This force given by the Lorentz force is equation is for one electron, and in a conductor there will be n number of electrons flowing through the conductor. So for n number of electrons I have to, for 1 it is this value, for 2 it is 2 into, for 3 it is 3 into. So for n number of electrons I have to go for n into this value. So the force is equal to n into this Lorentz force value. Then we have the capital N value as NADL in the equation number 3. So I am going to substitute this instead of capital N. Then my DF value would be this minus as it is NADL into E into VD cross B vector. Let this be equation number 4. And in the first equation we have already seen that NEAVD equal to I. So here you have see the similar terms NEAVD. So I am going to remove all these terms and write it as I, because I have got it from equation number 1. I am going to substitute this in equation number 4 and remove all these terms. Instead of all these terms I am going to write it as I here. So I am going to take minus also, because minus is only the charge of electron. So I am going to remove all these terms and write it as I, remaining term dl cross B vector. So I have the df force is equal to I dl cross B vector. So this is the small force. When you go for the integration of df, you have f is equal to I L in cross B vector. As it is cross product, you can write it as A vector cross B vector is nothing but AB sin theta. So I have L cross B, IL cross B, which I can write it as ILB sin theta. So my force F is equal to ILB sin theta. So when you have theta, you have to go for cases obviously. So let me take two cases, when theta equal to 0 and when theta equal to 90 degree. Theta is 0. In this case, the conductor is placed parallel to the field. Then theta will be 0. When I substitute theta as 0 here, the sin theta, sin 0 is completely 0. Anything into 0, the whole term will become 0. Then my force value is simply 0. That is, when you have the conductor parallel to the field, there will not be any force. Instead, when theta equal to 90 degree is the second case, which means the conductor is placed perpendicular to the field. The field is like this, and the conductor is perpendicular to the field. In that case, when I substitute 90 in the place of sin theta, you have sin 90, BIL into sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. So when I have it here, BIL into 1, it is simply BIL. The force will be maximum, that is F is equal to BIL. So this is all about this topic. I hope you've understood. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you.